What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we are playing PUBG Mobile, my favorite mobile game. But I'm level 31 right now, as you can see up in the corner. But we're about to get straight into it. I'm just gonna show y'all some of my like things, like make it fast. So I can get this done and get straight into the battle. So these are my skins I got. And here's the kind of like hats. My favorite is the shark hat. It goes down here. My mask. My favorite one's the gas and the yellow dot one. That's all that. All my shirts. Walking Dead shirt. That weird shirt. Pants. Not much in pants. Shoes. And this is my paint for my helmets. I'm using the red one right now because I didn't really like the color of the yellow one. I'm using that right now. And as you can already see, one of my paints is the scar, which I have that right there. I also got one for the AK. I get that for 10 days. And then went down here for this gun right here. Pretty nice. I got one for the pistol. This pistol, the P1911, or whatever you call it, and then the machete. So that's all the paints I got for those. But I'm gonna go back to my this gun. So let's get straight into it, guys. Today we're gonna be playing a first-person squad. Like, you know, I can't really do first-person in what I want to do, but all right, let's do it. I'm doing squad, so it's a little bit easier. And a lot of people say doing squads is actually harder, but solo's a little bit. I think it's harder because when you don't have a team, you don't get a second chance at all. You just strip die, and also you can get banned on that way. Teaming up, for sure, if you team up with other people and kill, you actually get banned from it. But normally, what I would do if I teamed up with somebody, I would just. But let's get into it. I'm actually gonna follow our leader. See where he goes. Please. Alright. Just gonna follow him. Okay, looks like he. Oh, the start from the. Whoa, gosh, this is gonna be crazy. Hopefully I get a good gun. What is this dude doing? Oh no. Oh God, no. Seriously? What the? Oh my God, guys. Oh, I'm gonna invite these dudes. But that sucks. That sucks horribly. But we'll jump into another one. This time I'm not following anyone. I'm just gonna go on my own and then hopefully not die. Alright, so while this is loading, like and subscribe if you want to see more PUBG videos. And I hope y'all will enjoy this video. I'm trying to talk as loud as I can because my phone mic sucks trash, and I'm going to get a new phone soon. And I might actually start up a new channel. I'm still going to keep this channel. I'm just going to start up my own channel, or this is my own channel. I'm start up a new channel, the PUBG only. YouTube, and I want to name it something pretty good and have a PUBG background, or PUBG,
They don't have enough intermediaries like Trump and all of these nefarious acts. Really? And then he's got a personal attorney.
Oh my God.
Who's a graduate of the U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan. How do you know?
Alright, sorry for that, guys. But, so, while we're waiting, and it's already done. I just got punched. Oh my gosh. Wow. Form up on me. Oh gosh. No, stop. Alright, I'm just checking that. Alright, let's go. Back to the school. I'm not going out to school because last time I went to school I died. So I'm going to go to the apartments here. And I don't know why, but my chute went out pretty high, so land on one of the apartments. Hope I can land on it, not inside the. No, please, no. Oh my God, no, please, don't do this to me again, please. Oh, thank God. Right off the bat, we got level 2. I think you take that. We got. I want to crouch so I don't get shot up through the window. Hit backpack. Alright. Frying pan. Guess that's good for starting. Let me match these up. There we go. I got some crowbars. Wow. Awesome. I can definitely win the game with a crowbar. Stupid crowbars. My frying pan's better. I can cook up those winter chicken dinners. Use this to cook up my chicken dinner. Can I please find a gun, please? Can I please have a gun? Like, I honestly really need a gun right now. Come on, bro. I need a gun. Why? There's no guns here. Why the poop? Come on. Another frying pan? What the heck? Give me a gun. Oh my God, 2 frying pans. This is going to be a frying pan only match. Oh my God, I'm just going to leave this place. Holy guacamole. Okay, let's start. Oh my God. There's no guns. What the freak? Give me a gun. I'm literally going to die for not having a gun. Oh my God. Seriously, dude. Why did I land here? So what is it here with me? Oh my gosh. You guys see it in that room over there. Dude, someone was in this place with me, dude. I'm literally about to die. Okay, he ran. God, he scared me. I'm going after this dude. I think it's like a frying pan only match, guys. This is crazy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on, why are you running, dude? Let's go. I don't know. Fight, fight, fight. Go, go, go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, what the? Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Bravo. The massive fight. Oh, my God. That's still not going to be in this video, guys. I want to get into a match, but there's guns. Like, I can't kill people with frying pans. That's just like, it's kind of hard to kill people with frying pans, especially if they're a little bit better at it than you. I got 0 kills because, I mean, I was at 8th place. That's not that bad. What the heck? I don't want to do this. I don't even have Facebook or Twitter. There we go. Alright, so we're going to do one more match, and that's going to be the end of this video, guys. I really hope y'all will, and I really hope y'all leave a like and subscribe. But, so, while we're waiting, just like and subscribe. Alright, right here. So, honestly, I have to just do solo so I don't get so I don't got to deal with the team, but I'm still going to do that because I get a second chance. And I want to do first person, and it won't let me do first person, so. Yeah, it won't let me do first person. That sucks, but you know the top of that bridge right there, dude? You can get up there and, like, people drive by. If you get a big enough gun, you can just light them up. Alright, I'm back. Let's see what my team is. If that will move. I'm the only American here. America, and I think that's India joining forces. Alright. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna go over here, get some loot. I don't think there's vehicles. I don't really think why would you need a vehicle because the map's small as heck. But we're gonna do it anyway, so. Alright, guys, I just disconnected. Like, my game froze and I disconnected, so I'm back. Honestly, I'm taking everything I find. Two shotguns, perfect. Yippee. This is a shotgun match, it looks like. Once we're getting into them. Alright. So, while I'm going over there, go check out Tyler Hall's YouTube channel and Colorful Cat. He should be making a video soon. He said he would, but most likely he's not going to do it, because he never does. But, definitely, just go check their channels out. We're in the zone now. I don't want to go to the school. See somebody, I'm gonna go after him. Oh no, who's shooting at me? Oh my god. Douche. So many freaking. Oh my god. Go ahead and kill me. Well, guys, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And smash that like button and subscribe if you want to see more of these PUBG videos. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out and goodbye.